Hello, in this video I'm going to tell you about AI Spawner, how it works, how to use it, and some examples. So in features level you can see already there are examples with the AI Spawner and the body also. Here you can step on this thing and the AI will work. And similarly with the AI presets, the AI spawners is used here. Okay, so I will show you this from scratch on a base on an empty level. So let's get started. I'm doing new level, basic. Okay, as for the collision fix for engine, I will enable block all, so it will also block physics. And yeah, AI spawner is BP AI spawner under AI in AI folder under blueprints. So this is the logic. So let's select it and place it on the level. Place actor spawn AI spawner. Okay, I will add a nav mesh. Right, so it will be built for AI. I'm pressing P to see the preview of the nav mesh. Okay, so that would be it. And let's go through some settings. By the way, the examples that are in features level also are related to level blueprint. You can see the scripting there. I'll show you this also here. But so it's a part of the level blueprint. All right, so here we are, and if we, yeah, of course, we need to set up the game mode. Right, so let's go choose the TPS game mode. There it is. Let's play. So far nothing happens, and let's go to details again, and to automatically spawn AI, not for script, set the auto spawn to true. So base AI character base will be spawned with this behavior tree. Okay, there we go. Okay, and so let's go through some settings here. Let me hide the not from TPS Kit. Okay, so spawner active, it is simply as it says. It won't, if you set it to true to false, it just won't do anything. It's very convenient for testing. All right, AI character is a class of AI that you can spawn, and you can make any child blueprint classes as you want with any weapon or something. Not like shotgunner. I think I know if I made a special behavior for shotgunner. Looks like not. Shotgunner is the guy with the that you can't headshot, and it will go to player and try to kill him, like so. I think it should have different material, since it's like work in progress project for testing, for tutorials. I might mess up some materials, so you will have different material in original game. All right, and yeah, so that's how you set it up. And I know for civilian, for example, you go to not patrolling. I don't think for civilian is forgot. I forgot our name. That's why, free roaming. Okay, so if you want a civilian AI like this one, so which will just walk around and jog around, right? There you go. So you choose your class and behavior tree as you want. All right, then we have here something important like override character settings. So which means if this won't be on false, all the settings will be taken from the class itself, right? From this, and if you set it to true, here character settings. These are like exposed settings that are useful to change. For example, weapon. So let me go to defaults, and I will give some automatic rifle to this guy. There we go. So as you can see, that's how you can quickly adjust settings for your spawner. If you want to do that, for example, there should be a mannequin. Here it is, and it should get the weapons and settings from, or not, from default one, which is 0. So let's test it, right? So I will open the AI character mannequin, and go to class defaults, go to weapon, and as you can see, for weapon slot, he doesn't have anything. So I will give him a pistol, right, or maybe a pistol sci-fi. Compile. So every mannequin, will have pistol. As it should. No, it doesn't. Something is missing. Weapon definition. Okay, yes, Jesus. I think. Where is loadout? I think I put it into wrong. Yes, weapon loadout, not definition. I changed the variable. Yeah, that's because here you can see keyable, hidden properties. You can see the exposed. You're supposed to only change the exposed settings, of course. So I'll give him revolver. So small mistake. Look always for the sections, or if you have like in variables, here you can see inherited variables, and if you go to weapon, you can see it also, because in the parent class, like here, you can see which variable is exposed, right, with this I over here. So you could also change the settings default value here for the weapon or something. Okay, yeah, let's get going. So does he have revolver? There you go. Okay, so that's how you can, for example, make. Where is the main one? This is the main one. Create the child blueprint class with the settings of your liking, and you don't have to change this in AI spawner on the level itself. All right, there is one more thing I see that doesn't work, is the material. I think by accident I want to fix it because I want to show you the dissolving, and I think maybe it's supposed to be this one. Just logo, yeah. Okay. Okay, for some reason it's not dissolving. I think I signed Mannequin, let me reset this. Okay, maybe I disable that. Oh, there you go, of course. Since it's not, no wonder it doesn't work since it's not enabled. Start with dissolve effect is the material dissolving material function that I made. There you go. So it's like it's blending in. It's blending in. Okay, so let's go to further with the settings. What else we got? Auto spawn. I told you if you won't do anything like so, it nothing will happen. It won't spawn. So auto spawn. Let's keep it enabled for now. Spawn next AI after spawn. If enabled, AI next AI will be spawned after initial spawn. It will take settings from respawn. So you could kind of make like a wave system a little bit, right? So let's put the spawn delay of like 4 seconds and override. Where is the override settings? There you go. Automatic rifle. You know what? I will also do one more thing. So I'll place player and enable possessive. And I want to make him invulnerable. So we will test it easier. Okay, so let's go back here. Spawn delay 4. Spawn next AI after spawn. So respawn after that, respawn counter, how many times, there you go, how many times I can respawn. So this means 2 or 3, sorry, 1 or 2, I don't remember, let's see. So here's 1, here's 2, here's 3. So yeah, so 3 in total, 2 additional. Right. So this way you can spawn multiple AIs. Oh yeah, and I forgot. There's one more cool thing I forgot. Spawn in random points. In enable, AI will spawn in random points in range. So for example, this will be useful now. That's why I rush to them to alarm them. So they won't spawn in the same place, right? So they will, let's put like 600. There we go. And check this out. Right, so they're not spawning in the same place, so they're not pushing each other. So that's quite useful. And you can do spawn delay by second. Let's see. So that's quite quickly, and you can put the spawn delay also 0, so they will spawn immediately. Sorry, the first one will spawn immediately, and for the one that's additional ones, the respawn delay time is here. So now they should spawn immediately, all 3. There you go. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Spawn delay, turn towards custom rotation. Let me do one more thing. Spawn. I want to disable I want only one AI now. Turn towards custom rotation. After spawn of initial terminating point, I will turn to the direction of blue arrow, which is driven by turn angle, turn target angle. So here you can see this blue arrow over here. So what you could do is make AI spawn with desired rotation already. Like so. So that's easy for patrolling, for if you want to spawn enemy that is looking in a certain direction, so you can use this angle over here, and this arrow will indicate that which angle it is. Turn towards enemy or spawn. After spawn or after animation applied, AI will turn to enemy if has one. I'm not sure if I exposed this, but it is useful when you additionally spawn next enemies and there is alarm mode already. So yeah, we still have a custom right over here. Yeah, because there is no enemy. So I don't know if I manage. Oh yeah, okay. Yes, of course. You in character settings, you can pick the initial enemy actor. I'm not sure if this will work. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, so you need to pick directly which enemy that's supposed to be in initial enemy actor if you want to use turn towards enemy. Yeah, I forgot that it's working this way. All right, what else we could do here? Turn angle, spawn that I told you. Animation, we can spawn AI with certain animation, for example, roll forward with root motion, and you can change the play rate and montage section. Let's see if there is default we want in this case default section, so nothing to change here, but optionally you can put a play rate and the section if you want. And yeah, so let's see. You can see, so you can make enemy. I don't know why he was. Yeah, he was already shooting me because his sensing is during roll are enabled, and he turned around during the roll. So quite interesting case how. Anyway, yeah, you can put any animation you want, spawn animation like jumping from the roof or whatever. Whatever animation you have. I don't have such here, but as example is a rolling animation. Yeah, here's a little wave system thing. Respawn AI on death. So as I said before, let's see, put 2 seconds. So after I'll kill this guy, after 2 seconds, next one will spawn. And after another 2 seconds, next one will spawn. Right, so like simple wave system you can do here. And as for character settings, it's the same settings as you would have in a regular AI. So if you want, not every settings are here. If you want to add them, I can show you. It is over here. So what you need to do, you need to go to AI character base, and I don't know which setting you would like. Let's go to variables, and I know debug or whatever, covering settings, cover point size radius. Oh, it's already exposed. Looking for something. Cover priority. Whoa. Damn it. Now I want to here. So there it is. Oh, it's also exposed. Oh, everything is exposed already. Patterning enabled. Okay, so as you can see, it is editable. So when you select this AI on a level, you can change the value for this. But if you want to change it on the spawn, like here on a spawner, when you spawn the enemy from the script, like so, you need to expose on spawn, enable expose on spawn, as well as instance editable. All right, so let's try that. Patrolling enabled. Here it is. I forgot the name. Patrolling. No. Here it is. Patrolling enabled, right? So if you want to have it per spawner, right? So promote to variable. Patrolling enabled, and click this thing, which is instance editable, this I, and yeah, so now you can change it per spawner. You can move it to character settings. That will be behavior, I guess, right? And let's compile. And patrol enabled. Here it is. Here you can set it per spawner, and you can add any variables you want for the spawner, for the settings. As you can see, I did some settings, but then I didn't make any variable for everything because there's like hundreds of them, and not everything is needed, but it's up to you how flexible you want to be. You want to have your NL spawner, how much you need it. Okay, there is a couple things I'm going to mention with scripting. It has a few dispatchers. As you can see, spawn trigger, and I have spawn and play animation finished. So you could use this on level. So if you go to level script, level blueprint, you could reference a spawner. And actually, I don't think you have to bind it even. Call spawn triggered. So if you right click and you click spawn triggered, there you go. So you don't have to bind the dispatcher. You can directly get the event. Spawn triggered. I don't know. Print string. Triggered. So you can do your own logic, whatever you want. After the AI is triggered, yeah, spawned. As you can see in left upper corner, the event happened. Yeah, want to double check, play animation. Yeah, there it is. Okay, want to double check longer spawn delay if it's working. Okay, I think it could be a little bug here. And it's not spawned, of course. There is a difference between spawn triggered and actually spawned. And this is AI has spawned, that's a different event. So, where is our... So AI has spawned AI character, so here. So this will be triggered when actually AI is on the level. There we go. Okay, do we have anything more interesting? Play spawn animation finished. So when you have a animation assigned, I think it's self-explanatory. This event will happen. How to add the events? You select the spawner and go to level blueprint. Right click and look for that event, which was animation finished. something finished at play animation finished. Yeah, you can also instead of doing like a direct event, you can also do assign anim finished. So you can assign the specific event and you can bind it on the begin play like so. What else we could do? Well, trigger spawn, of course. So, for example, I will add a delay, and after 4 seconds, I want this AI spawner to be active. Spawn, like so. And I will disable auto spawn. So after 4 seconds, it will be spawned. Or not? Yeah. Of course, there's 4 seconds plus these 4 seconds. So 8 seconds in total. There you go. And I will disable the random points on radius. And yeah, so you can do it with any logic. Like if you have a trigger box, for example, and if you like make it bigger a bit, and let's not hide in game. We have a box here, yeah, and we can add event for this trigger box. So if player will go through this, it will it will activate the spawner. Is AI mesh blocked? I think we have to change the collision preset to trigger and actually want to ignore everything except player mesh or player capsule, up to you. And so it will only react to player because you don't need anything else. So while I have it selected, look for begin overlap. Add a begin overlap event. I'll add a do once because we want to spawn it once. And yeah, and call, or remove that. I call function trigger spawn to activate the spawner. So let's go. So I'll go through the volume. And it didn't work. I forgot about something. Trigger. Wait. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. So simple and it doesn't work. Generate overlap events. I'm stupid. I'm changing this for human AI, not for player. Of course, it needs to be overlap player mesh, not human, not AI. Okay. There you go. So simple script. You can trigger AI spawner like this. Trigger spawn. You can add your own functions, of course, here. Whatever you like, or even dispatchers and extend it. Yeah, so I think I talked about all the functions, and remember there are also examples on the features level, respawning. Yeah, I think I covered everything. All right, so that will be it for this tutorial, and good luck.